How to create a countdown timer in After Effects. Select the design you like and press Import. You'll be prompted to select the time. You could adjust it with plus or minus or set the time you'd like. Press Edit to change any colors. You also do have a few controls. For example, you can make the timer go in reverse. Finally, once you're happy with the countdown timer, press Export. We automatically determine that you need transparency since the initial design is transparent, and the final file will be in Move with transparency. Once the render is done, the file will be opened on your drive. And After Effects can freeze while it's exporting. It's normal. Just wait until the render is done and you're all set.